With more Americans traveling on business and pleasure than ever before, the need for improved fitness and well-being on the road has never been greater. As a traveler, you know how difficult it can be to stay in shape.
That's why JW Marriott Hotels and Resorts, in partnership with the Joffrey Ballet, is launching Behind the Bar, a series of in-room bar workout videos available on demand for travelers staying in guest rooms around the world.
Travelers now have an on-demand way to add fitness to their travel itinerary.
For more info, head to jwmarriottbehindthebar.com.